Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu without an oven. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. Ladyfingers, freshly brewed espresso, mascarpone cheese, eggs, and granulated sugar. Begin by brewing a strong cup of espresso and letting it cool completely. Next, carefully separate the egg yolks from the whites, placing them into two different bowls. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. In a bowl, whisk the egg yolks with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 250 grams of mascarpone cheese until it's fully incorporated and smooth. In a separate clean bowl, beat the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Carefully fold these whites into the mascarpone mixture to achieve a light, airy texture. With your cream ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, ensuring they are moistened but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these dipped ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread half of your prepared mascarpone cream evenly over this ladyfinger layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of espresso-dipped ladyfingers, and then top with the remaining mascarpone cream. To allow the flavors to meld and the tiramisu to set properly, refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. This adds a beautiful finish and a touch of bitterness that perfectly balances the sweetness. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade, no-bake tiramisu.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.